y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie. I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So my last two videos have been a little complicated. Like, not everybody want to do, you know, bacon, being a bacon era, deal with yeast, all that other stuff. So I thought I would hit you with a recipe that I have been loving so much. Like, I basically cook all my meals because I be like that. I don't know what's wrong with me. And sometimes I need something to eat, but I don't feel like doing too much. I don't feel like turning like a stove on. Okay, this still needs a stove. But anyway, I have this recipe. It's so good. I freaking love it. If you want to see how I make a 10-minute chili noodle, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. This recipe is gonna be so in and out. I actually contemplated whether or not I would share a recipe because honestly, you really could do whatever you want. But it's some peanut butter. I think I said 2 tablespoons, maybe 2.5 tablespoons in the recipe. I freaking love peanut butter. Some chili oil. I got this one from the Asian market. And I know like that Momofuku or whatever be like trending, but when you go to the store, you see it's $11, baby. Go on down to the international market or the Chinese market or the Korean market and get you some chili oil from there, okay? Soy sauce and some agave nectar for a little bit of sweetness. If you wanted to, you could do a little rice wine vinegar. I just realized that. I don't put that in mine, but if you want to balance like all the taste out, that might be a cute little addition. In the recipe, I said to preserve some of the noodle water. I'm using udon noodles because they are vegan. One time I got desperate and did this a couple months ago with like spaghetti. It wasn't bad. I would not recommend it for real because like the semolina flour really gives spaghetti. It gives fettuccine alfredo, you know, but it works. The reason why this is 10 minutes, udon noodles, literally don't leave them. It takes like 5 minutes, if that, if 4, honestly, maybe 3, because they don't take very long. When I tell you, you get home from work, you get home from wherever you be at, and you just whisk this together while your noodles are boiling, and you mix it around. And then sometimes I might put some of the noodle water into my sauce just to thin it out. If you want to do that, you can do that. I wasn't feeling it when I was filming this. I like to top it with them fried tofu from the Asian market, cilantro. I didn't have no scallion, but look at that, y'all. And one day I had like a meeting with my friend, and she was like, "Girl, what you eating?" Yeah, get into it, y'all. This is so good. It's so easy. You have to try it. Like, you probably got all them ingredients in your pantry right now. Now, if you're allergic to peanut butter, I don't know, babe. I'm not finna tell you about no sunflower oil. I don't know. Katie, I don't know. But let me know if you try it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know some of them videos. Am I hitting 300 yet? Girl, it's a catalog. Thank you again, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.